Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am just bringing up another video of posting basically your first product on Gooten. So on the last video, I showed you how to create your new account, and now we're going to talk about uploading products and getting your store ready. And possibly ordering yourself a sample. So I will order myself a sample as well, and then I'll do an unboxing and review of the quality of the products that I get. So if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I create a new video. All right, so we're gonna go back to our Gooten homepage, and here's information about like preparing your artwork. So if you click that, this is kind of what will show up. So it just gives you different templates and things like that. So it go from journal, notebook, PJs, throw pillows, and it has a few more pages as well, just to help you with getting your sizing right for products, pet placement, t-shirts. So I think I'm gonna probably do a t-shirt today, and they have just like different print templates that you can see here. So many different files, and you guys know I love the Bella canvas. So they have the 3001C here, and then it just gives you like a PNG to tell you the size. So here's the pixels for that: 3600 by 4800 or 12 by 16 inches. So that is available for you for every single product. In case you were wondering like what different sizes are, it's all here under the resources. So first I want to go ahead and browse and create a product. So we're going to start creating new products. And they have a lot of all over print stuff. They have desk mats, which is super cute. Minky blankets. They have canvas wraps, t-shirts. As far as accessories, cell phone cases, magnets, accessory pouches, compact mirrors, yoga mats, luggage tags, car seat covers, and of course apparel, tank tops, t-shirts. They have socks here, pajamas, pants. Oh, that would be awesome to use. Pajamas, pants. What else we have? If I scroll here, long sleeve shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, baby onesies, and zip up hoodies. And then of course youth sizes t-shirts. We have cards. They have folded cards, flat cards, business cards, home and living. We have glass cutting boards. We have placemats, tea towels, napkins, aprons, tablecloths, table runners, lunch bags, dish towels, bedding, bath towels, pillow shams, hand towels, laundry bags. I really want to do this too. They have bath mats, crib sheets, nursing covers, comforters, changing pads, burp cloths, and let me not forget the drinkware, mug galore. They have glass mugs. They have the bear stains, the two-tone magic glasses and tumblers. Living room, we have woven blankets. Look at that, so cute. We have ottomans, rugs. Whoo! They got a lot. Blankets, swaddle blankets, curtains, then ornaments, Christmas shirts, outdoor stuff, floor mats, yard signs. They have notebooks, acrylic trays, journals, stickers, and I love the desk mats. I really love that. And then pet stuff. They have pet beds, pet placements, and pet bandanas. And of course, all of the different metal and professional glass wall canvas and art prints here that are available for people. They also have the canvas ones that are wrapped and wall clings. Is that it? So I really want to, what did I say I wanted to explore? The laundry bag. Was it the laundry bag? Let me see. Yeah, I really want to do the laundry bag. So let's select the product. And we're going to select all. And then I'm going to hit continue. So it says bulk upload. Let me find what I want to upload, because I did a few designs recently, but I don't know if I did them the right size, but we'll see if they work for this. Let's see. I did this flower. Let's see. Does it work? Let's see. I'm going to upload it and see. Wait. I thought I did. All right, let me go find it again. And we're going to see if that works. Because I don't want to use the donuts. Oh, it is up there. Oh, select. If it was a bug, it would hit me. So I hit apply and it, oh, is the DPI low? Well, it has a little thing. I think that's telling me that the DPI is low, but it still did it for me. So, and that's the back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hit continue. And now I have a laundry bag. So this is the main picture and back, the side in different sizes. So I'm gonna hit continue. And then I have my laundry bag. So it would actually go to my Coins and Connection stores on that sale channel, and it will go to my storage. So I'll put floral laundry bag so I know, and then I can publish it to the store. So it says select store, my Shopify store. I'll hit apply. Did it go? I think. It has the SKUs, and then it says duplicate changes to another store. We can hold this for personalization. Say I want to have people put their names on their laundry bags. We can do that. And then here, oh, I didn't see that. So it says Coins and Connections right there. Tags, you can choose your tags. I'll say floral, laundry bag, wash day, clothing, laundry mat. Okay, they have the product sizes, product type, probably home. That'll probably be under home. And then I could choose a collection if I had one. Okay, so this is like my collection. So I'm going to add it to my pop-up collection because it doesn't go to my store. But I'm also going to click push to store as draft because obviously I don't want this to be on my actual store. Because I'm doing this for tutorial purposes. All right, so it looks like everything is done. And what I would do is just hit publish to stores. So it has a process that it's going through. And once it's done, it will be available in my storage here on Gooten and also available for me on my actual Shopify store. So here it's in storage and here it's on my Shopify store. So now I'm going to go back to home, because I've checked off this part about browse and create a product. I've connected Etsy stores, so they say, but I actually connected a store. I'm not going to submit my billing stuff, but we're going to go down to order a sample. So we're going to go choose a product, and you can choose from save products, or let's see what it says, save products. So I could order the laundry bag here. So I could order the laundry bag. And okay, do I go back? Next, choose product. Oh, add to cart. It was right in front of me. So now it's in my cart, and I would update the shipping country. I'm going to the US. So then I hit, it says $14.90. I'll put my billing information in, and then I would place my order for my sample. I'll do an old address, let's see, and see what the shipping rate comes out to be. If I can scroll down. Yeah, it would not let me scroll down. So there we go. I'm also going to do this. Okay. There we go. And I can save that address for later. And then I'll do my payment stuff. Of course, I'm not going to put that in right now. And then I don't know how much the shipping is, but when you go do your sample, you can find out for yourself. Because it'll probably be definitely different than whatever my shipping is based on where you're located, if you're overseas or not. So we've done that. I showed you how to create a sample. I'm going to go back to home. And that's like the last main thing that you need to do on your page. So this shows you where your orders are. Place an order for yourself or somebody else manually. You have upload bulk orders. You have a product hub where all your items are. You have your stores. So I have one product synced to my Shopify store. Order information and export. And then over here you have shipping fee calculator. So now we can like see, because we talked about that. I was going to ship it to South Carolina, 29440. And then let's see, I can select the product or products. So let's go with the laundry bag. So this looks like it's helping me. So it's a small size there. So I'm going to continue with that SKU. So the prices here range from standard $4.99, expedited $8.49, and overnight $44.99. So that would be if I was sending it into South Carolina. So that is a way that you can do your shipping fee calculator. Love that they have that in there. So you also know, again, this is your product catalog, and then just more account settings. One thing I feel like I did not see, well, because it's a fulfillment website, you don't have to worry about like headers and creating the storefront. But this is like your back office of Gooten. I hope this helped. If you guys were lost at any point, just know that this is my first time setting up a Gooten store as well. I can't wait to get a sample or two and do a review for you guys to see what I purchased and what the quality is like for this website. And I hope you're able to set up this store as a fulfillment website on your already done Etsy, WooCommerce, or Shopify store to add more products to be fulfilled. And I hope you continue to enjoy this series. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.